Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Confirm you have the 12-word secret phrase written on paper and accessible before beginning. If you only have a password without the 12-word phrase, you cannot fully restore private keys, so locate the seed phrase first. Use a secure device with the latest Exodus version installed to avoid compatibility issues. Check the App Store or Exodus. COM for updates. Close other apps and ensure a stable internet connection when restoring your wallet to prevent interruptions and ensure accurate blockchain sync. Open Exodus and select Recover Wallet, then choose Restore from Secret Phrase from the Welcome options. This initiates the guided workflow. Enter the 12-word secret phrase in correct order using single spaces between words and avoid extra punctuation. Seeds are order sensitive. After the phrase validates, create a new strong password and optional PIN for the device. This protects the app interface, but not the private keys. Allow Exodus to finish synchronizing. The wallet will rescan balances and transaction history from the blockchain. Verify each asset balance after sync and compare addresses for key wallets to ensure funds match expectations. Check Bitcoin, Ethereum, and token balances individually. Back up the restored wallet by exporting the 12-word phrase to offline paper only. Do not store it in cloud notes, screenshots, or email. Enable automatic app updates and keep the recovery phrase in a secure physical location like a safe or bank deposit box. Consider splitting the phrase into two parts stored separately for extra redundancy and theft protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.